Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can copy a selection to another place in the image or to another image completely. To do this, first make the selection you want to copy. Then select Edit, Copy from the menu bar. This will copy the pixel selection in the selected layer. To copy the pixels in the selection through all the layers instead, select Edit, then Copy Merged from the menu bar. You have a few options for pasting the copied pixel selection. To paste the copy into the same image, select Edit, Paste from the menu bar. Doing this pastes a copy of the selected pixels into the image within a new layer. You can then click the Move tool in the toolbox and click and drag the pasted selection to a new place in the image since it is within a separate layer. To specify the location into which you will paste the selection, you can make another separate selection in the same image or within a different image, and then select Edit, Paste into Selection to paste the copied pixels into the selection you just created. It is important to note that when you copy and paste data between images with different pixel resolutions, you may need to resize one of the images prior to copying or pasting, so the copied data doesn't appear disproportionate to the image into which it is pasted.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.